Good morning, friends. Welcome to KSK Educational Channel. The topic is Julius Caesar. Okay, the Julius Caesar was written by William Shakespeare. We know that about the William Shakespeare. Okay, let's see that introduction. This tragic play was written by William Shakespeare. It is one of the greatest plays of the Shakespeare. It extracts from Hamlet, Act 3, Scene 2. Okay, this is the introduction part. Okay, we have to find out that there are some characters. Okay, the Julius Caesar is the main character. Okay, a successful military leader, and Antony and Brutus, they are the friends of Julius Caesar, and citizens are common people. These are the four characters involved in the topic. Okay, the lesson is going to explain about the speeches of the great people of Antony and Brutus. Okay, how they are going to change the mindset of the people by giving their wonderful speeches. Okay, the first person is the Brutus. He gives the speech to the Rome people, and completely they believed that the Julius Caesar was a cheater. Okay, he was a cruelty person. But when the Antony is going to give the second speech, the Rome people change the mindset, and they feel that the Julius Caesar is a god. Okay, he is the king of the Rome. ఓకే చూడండి, దీంట్లో మనకు టూ స్పీచెస్ మాత్రమే ఇందులో మనకు ఉన్నాయి. ఒకటి వచ్చేసి యాంటోనీ, సెకండ్ వన్ వచ్చేసి బ్రూటస్. ఈ బ్రూటస్ జూలియస్ సీజర్ చెడ్డవాడు అనేసి ఏ విధంగా జనాలను నమ్మిస్తాడో, అదే జనాలని యాంటోనీ జూలియస్ సీజర్ మంచివాడని నమ్మిస్తాడు. అంటే మనిషి లోపల మాట్లాడడం, అంటే వాళ్ళ యొక్క స్పీచెస్, వాళ్ళ యొక్క పబ్లిక్ స్పీకింగ్ స్కిల్స్ జనాల్ని ఏ విధంగా చేంజ్ చేస్తాయి అనేదే ఈ లెసన్ యొక్క కాన్సెప్ట్. లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ ది టాపిక్. The play opens with great celebration in the streets of Rome. Julius Caesar has returned from a battle after defeating his political rivals. Rome is a republic governed by elected noblemen. Some of them fear that Caesar could hold the power and declares as a king. Caesar had a great support from common people and army. Okay, who are the ruling officers and leaders? They afraid always about the Caesar. Okay, if the Caesar declares himself as a king, nobody can stop him. Okay, that is the reason they always afraid, and they wanted to kill the Julius Caesar. Caesar, Cassius and Brutus made a plan to kill the Caesar. For that they form a conspiracy, kill the Caesar on 15th March 44 BC. At Pompeii, the people of Rome are confused and agitated by the murder of Caesar and demand for answers. Okay, when the people heard about the Caesar's death, they asked the Brutus and a reason for killing him. Okay, then the Brutus give a speech to the Rome people. There are two speeches, one is from Brutus and second one from Antony. Brutus made a powerful speech. He said that Caesar was his friend and he loved the people of Rome more than anything else. Brutus says that he wanted his country to be free from everybody, but Caesar became ambitious to have the crown, so I joined with the conspirators to kill Caesar. Brutus said if anyone opposes him, he will take the responsibility. That is, the citizens agreed to Brutus' speech, and we should him to be ruler. Okay, the first speech of Brutus is completed. Okay, the people believed that okay, Brutus is correct and Caesar is wrong. Okay, then Antony came with Caesar's dead body. Then Brutus says to citizen to listen to Antony's speech. Okay, the Brutus requests the Rome people to listen Antony's speech. How the Antony changes the mindset of the people? Just listen. Antony was very clever in delivering the speech. He said that Brutus was an honorable man, but he said that Caesar was ambitious man. During the Lupercal festival, Caesar rejected politely royal crown and he brought many captives of war back to Rome. When the poor were sad, Caesar wept with them. Antony changes the mindset of the people and motivate them to think about the Caesar. The common people change the mood and cry for the Caesar. Then they decided to kill the murderers. Yet finally Antony's team defeat the Brutus and his group and rule the Rome. It shows that power of oratory to change the people's mindset. Okay, here we can observe that, okay, how they are going to deliver their wonderful speeches, how they are going to change the mindset of the people. Okay, in the examination we find only the two questions. The one is the Brutus speech and second one is the Antony speech. Thanks everybody for watching this video.